Do you get more stressed than others do in your life? Does your stress continue for a much longer time, maybe weeks, months, and maybe even years, even after the problem has disappeared from your life? Why is this? The main region of our brain that is responsible to control our emotions, face challenges, is the frontal lobe. This frontal lobe matures slowly with age. In some people, it matures at the age of 18, 19, and in some people, it may even mature at the age of 30, 35. The main thing which helps in the maturation of the frontal lobe and makes us resilient to stress is a healthy identity. What is a healthy identity? A healthy identity gives us a place in the world. It is our connection to the world. Our parents, our family, our jobs, our relationships, whatever work we do, all of these things help in contributing to the building of a healthy identity. And whenever we lack a healthy identity or have an unhealthy identity, it can lead to many problems, because a healthy identity is like a lid on our subconscious brain. And all the mental health problems, all kind of emotional issues that are trapped inside the subconscious brain, they are kept shut off with a healthy identity. When the identity is not healthy, when it is unhealthy, at that time these small problems, they keep getting triggered, and all emotional problems, all kind of mental health issues, they keep on coming up, emerging from the subconscious, and they keep the mind in a turbulent state. They do not let the mind be at calm, be at peace. So how do we know whether our identity is a healthy one? There are 5 features of a healthy identity. The first one is right self-care. Right self-care means we care about ourselves, our sleep, our food, our exercise, our work, our relationships, our mind-body practices, our house, our clothes, our hygiene. We care about these things in a good balance as per our personality, as per what our mind and body needs. The second thing which reflects a healthy identity is right care for others. Caring for others means caring in a balanced way for the people around us, for our immediate relations, our parents, our children, our partners, and even to some extent for those connected to us. The third feature of a healthy identity is boundaries, right physical, mental, and emotional boundaries. Too much of an open boundary invites exploitation or all kinds of problems. And very rigid boundaries can isolate a person. That is also not healthy. The fourth feature of a healthy identity is right trust. Having at least one person in the world whom we can trust completely. The fifth feature of a healthy identity is quest. Having some meaningful work or purposeful work in our life which makes us feel passionate or good and which makes us feel worthwhile to do. This kind of work gives us a place in the world and gives a voice to us in front of others. These are 5 features of a healthy identity. If we have these 5 features, it means we have a healthy identity. If not, then we need to take steps to build a healthy identity. And how can we do those? Most important thing in these 5, which leads to an unhealthy identity, is a lack of self-care. Because often in many people, self-care is not according to their own personality or mind-body type. It's according to what others have told them. They will eat the kind of food what others have told them they should eat. They will take sleep which others have told them is good for them, or they might have heard somewhere. So what we need to follow in our life, in our lifestyle, is self-care as per our own body's need, by observing ourselves, observing our mind and body, because each of us are unique and the needs of each of us are unique. One person might do well with 4 hours of sleep a day, but it might not be the same for another person with a different mind body type. That person might need a minimum of 8 hours of sleep per night without prejudice to ourselves and with compassion. And then follow that kind of lifestyle which suits us. Slowly, this kind of self care helps in building up a healthy identity.